there is a genocide underway in Gaza. That's no longer just the opinion of Ireland or the Irish government. It is now the finding of a UN independent inquiry. We're living through times where man-made famines are occurring, and I really think in the next number of days we need to move beyond countries coming to the UN to simply condemn what is happening in Gaza, and countries actually showing what they're willing to do. Today is a really important day with the recognition of the state of Palestine by the UK, by Canada, by Australia, and by Portugal. I very much welcome that. It's an act we took in Ireland over a year ago. But we did see, I think, an even more significant moment about a week ago now, where the President of the European Commission outlined proposals that the Commission wished to table in terms of practical sanctions and measures that could be taken to try and change the calculus that Netanyahu must be operating under, to try and bring about a ceasefire, surge in humanitarian aid, an end to the genocide, and the release of all the hostages. What I intend to use my time here in New York is to work with counterparts to try and identify if there is now a majority for any of those proposals. Can we, for once and for all, actually see the European Union take practical action? I'm working currently on gathering support from other member states to have an early meeting of really any council structure within the European Union to have a vote on these proposals, and I hope to have an update in terms of how many countries are coming on board with that initiative over the course of the next number of days, but I'm detecting significant support. And I also say I think it is absolutely outrageous that UN High-Level Week is taking place, that there is a specific high-level conference on a two-state solution and the Palestinian Authority are to attend. I think it is an extraordinarily dangerous precedent that the President of the Palestinian Authority, the Prime Minister of the Palestinian Authority, the government of the Palestinian Authority have been blocked from attending you, and that is a concern in relation to what's happening in the here and now regarding Palestine. But it's also a dangerous precedent now if people can decide who can and can't come to the United Nations. Ireland co-sponsored a resolution on this at the General Assembly last week that passed, but wasn't acted upon by the host country. And I think that is a regrettable start to what could have been and could still be, I hope, a significant week in terms of trying to make progress on Gaza.